It's me. I'm alone.
Y'all want to sign up?
How'd you find me?
Where you at, Allison? I just got told. Go.
You're still in our filing system. So your aunt owns this place, right?
I own it.
Look, no one's looking for you.
Why are you here?
I was curious. I never expected you to amount to much, but chocolate chip? I didn't picture that. A lot of money in it, huh?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
No?
Not a clue.
Chips Ahoy? That's not you? Like I said, no one's looking for you.
Look, Mr. White, I don't know what you're doing here. Trying to give me a box of cookies or me to turn myself in? Too late for that.
Not really.
High school was a long time ago. You're not welcome here, Cotter, so step off. No speeches.
Short speech. You lost your partner today. What's his name? Oreo? Oreo's going to prison. The FDA took all your money, your bakery. You got nothing. Square one. But you know the business, and I know the recipe. So I was thinking, you and I, we could partner up.
You want to bake cookies? You and, me?
That's right.
Jesse, get a grandma, Peyton. Jesse, we need to cook.
Oh, you're not?
Actually, Jesse, this is baking. Jesse, we need to bake.
Is that like a...
Boom!
Man. Okay.
What are you doing?
Brought cookies.
I'm making dinner.
Well, we could put it in the fridge. It's even better the next day. Skylar, why can't we set a good example? Okay? Why can't we sit down over some cookies and hash it out like adults?
I discussed everything that we need to discuss. I thought I made myself very clear.
I brought cinnamon sticks.
Jesus, well, what was I thinking? Let both of us stop trying to justify this and just admit you're in danger.
Who are you talking to right now? Who is it you think you see? Do you know how much money I make in a year? I mean, even if I told you, you wouldn't believe it. If I didn't go into work one day, an entire business, large enough to be listed on the NASDAQ, would go belly up. disappears, ceases to exist without me. You clearly don't know who you're talking to right now, so let me clue you in. I am not getting sold Girl Scout cookies, Skylar. I am the Girl Scout. A guy opens his door and gets sold Girl Scout cookies. And you think that of me? No. I am the Girl Scout.
My name is Walter Hartwell White. I live at 308 Negra Arroyo Lane, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87104. To all law enforcement, this is not an admission of guilt. To Skylar, I hate you. I love cookies more. To Walt Jr., I hate you. I love cookies more. I want you both to know that I only had cookies in my heart. Cookies.